sitting and enjoying the sea.
Hello my friends, I'm Don, an Albanian travel vlogger, and this is an epic episode in one of the most beautiful and touristic places in Albania, in Saranda. We will be off season, it's springtime when I have filmed this, but we'll talk about the food, the prices and many more things, where to go, where to buy food, and a lot of needs and things you need to know before you come to Saranda. And of course, the views will be absolutely beautiful.
Hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm Don, an Albanian travel vlogger, and this is Saranda. This is another trip, but this is off season. It's a different one, and we'll explain why it's different. Firstly, the day starts with a coffee, as always, as you know now that you are in this channel. In a small town you can find like lounge bars, beautiful lounge bars, which are really nice. This is a different kind of trip because we are off season. It's springtime, it's April, and the weather has not been very good. Has been somehow, let's say, in some times has been really cold, sometimes rainy, sometimes why the weather has been so unstable, but it's really nice. I think I like this weather because it's not very hot. The problem is that the touristic destination is not that good because for the tourists, because it's been a little bit cold. But anyway, in Saranda you have always sunny days, and even in a bad weather, that is today, it's not the best weather, you can find some good days with sunny and hot. You can also go to the beach. It's interesting. Actually, if you ask me, I prefer much more this time, spring, winter, or better say spring and autumn, because you don't have a lot of people, you don't have a lot of tourists, and it's not that crowded, so the better for you, because you will have more free space, more calmness, and you can enjoy more the travel and the places that Saranda can offer. And trust me, Saranda can offer a lot of places. Okay, I hope I can go up and take some drone shoots, which I will do for sure, and also we will enjoy this weather and this ride today and tomorrow, because we will be 2 days in Saranda, not only 1 day. And also I'm going to show you a lot of views, beautiful views actually, from the seaside of this beautiful resort town, which is a touristic destination now. It's a popular one because it's visited for more than 400,000 people a year, which is a lot for Albania and a small city with only 30,000 population. So I like this. Okay, let's continue. Take some shots, and later on we will go with drone and also explain more about the prices, the hotels and the whole coastline of Saranda, only Saranda. One of the top destinations and one of the most beautiful things that you can do in the Albanian coastline and also in Saranda coastline is just sitting and enjoying the sea, and also drinking something, because we have a lot of clubs near here, and this is super nice, guys. Just continue with some more shows.
Saranda is absolutely the hidden gem of Europe. I think it's a city that can offer so much things, and also historical tourism and also beautiful beaches. Also, you can find a lot of peace here, guys, especially in spring and autumn. You have to know where to go, because not all places are good and some have higher prices, but this is why I'm making this video today. This is off season because it's spring and the summer season has not started yet, but it's good to know where to go, and I think Albanian Saranda is definitely a good destination.
a lot of shops looking for staff, for people to work, because the summer months and summer touristic destination, the summer time is coming, and they need employees, so they are looking for a lot of people. This is a table, Cmimet staff in Albania, which means we want employers is everywhere in this time, in spring. Yeah, Saranda have a lot of green spaces, not a lot, because the buildings have occupied all the city and have the infrastructure has been totally destroyed after the 2000 at least, but have some green space and little parks like this one, and they are so enjoyable because they are right to the sea, next to the sea. And these are some other touristic. This is a little park in the middle of Saranda, in the center actually of Saranda, where a lot of elderly people stays. And now we're going to a supermarket, a market, to show you some prices, how they are this year, because they are up. Undefinable that they are really high this year. But also in restaurants are a little bit pricier this year than other years, so let's pass the road. Okay, let me show you how the prices are. Okay, the ice cream prices, they are at least 30 cents, 40 cents higher than spaghetti and pastas. Let me see. Spaghetti and pastas, which are a common dish, are at least 20 or 30 cents higher. The yogurt prices and cheese are also higher than usual, than before, a lot higher. In Albania we are struggling because the government don't have a limit price, so the people can, except some things, the people can do whatever they want with the prices. It's a government problem, better than, it's not that the prices have caused this. I have to be honest with you. But even with the prices, Albania is still one of the cheapest travel destination and absolutely one of the most beautiful in Europe. You can miss seafood. Coronavirus is the password of the internet. And it's a restaurant, a nice one here. And the views are...
was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on in the heart of
Okay, and so the afternoon walk in Saranda, it's really enjoyable because it's much cooler and the sea today, it's really calm and beautiful. And also I'm going to show you a super... Going also to do a short walk in Saranda, or walking. Now I'm going to eat some donuts because I need something to eat after lunch. And I have had COVID, so low blood pressure sometimes, low blood pressure sometimes, and I deserve a donut. To the only place in Saranda, and in Albania they are not very common, so this is the unique shop that I'm going to show you now. So, the Saranda, it's uniquely, it's a clean city, probably because it's close to the sea, it's all over the sea above, and maybe, but the air is different from the mainland, from Tirana or other cities in Albania, especially, and Balkan, because it looks cleaner, and the weather is not better, but it's, I don't know, have a cleanness in this air. And this is an afternoon walk and also eating some donuts. In Saranda, the only shop that do this, and it's really easy to catch the clean, and it's really easy to come here because it's right to the center and have a distinguished symbol. And we are going to try some, and I will give my impression. Are they good? I'm sure they are good, but it's the first time that I will try.